It's a great game for us. Uh, but I've been in basketball for the longest time. In fact, I've talked to the commissioner. Picking up the ball, technical. I'm not saying that, ako, you, all my life as a coach, I don't complain if my players are so and so. I'll make the most out of it. I'm not saying that's why we lost because of the technical. But, why ruin a beautiful game? Picking up the ball, crucial part, you will call a technical foul. Anyway, sa akin, okay lang yun. It's a learning experience. But one thing I can say, I'm very proud of my boys. You look at the size of my opponent, look at the recruits, look at the players that I have. But we were just a few minutes away from forcing another game. But I don't know why ruin the game.
Well, what did you do? Nakita mo sa players mo, so bakit ganyan?
Well, first of all, it's a learning experience for them. In fact, I mentioned after the game, I'm so proud of them. Uh, uh, Whatever we accomplished this year, whatever disappointment that we experienced, we use that as springboard for next year. Season 18 for us starts tomorrow. And, this game will help us become better individuals, better team for next year. Well, sa akin, I can live with that. I can live. If my player did that, so be it. That's sign of a very young team, of a very, or of a rookie. I can live with that. Diba? Kasalanan. We were still in the game. They scored 4 points, 6 points. Pero come on naman, picking up the ball, calling a technical foul. Come on. Diba? Come on. I've talked to commissioners. Sabi ko, you don't hear anything from me. I don't complain and everything. Pero come on naman, commissioner. Crucial part, you will decide. I'm not saying that decided the game, but, it twisted the game, actually. You did your job. Dapat balikin ko ng crucial part. Pinick up ko yung bola sa mid-court. Hindi nga ako nagreklamo eh. I just picked up the ball eh. Technical, all my life coaching, all my life playing, I never experienced this. But anyway, I'm not trying to sound sour graped, but good run for us. I'm so happy. I guess we overachieved. We overachieved.
Next season, yung mga balata sa inyo,
Well, in fact, when they asked me, this year was just supposed to be a gestation period for us. Warming up, but we overachieved. In fact, I mentioned that to the players. When I took over, we started practice after 2 months. We don't really have a bad team. Okay? We played in the preseason. I think they can compete. Of course, I didn't tell that to management, I didn't tell that to the players. But when we started playing here in the league, we started, seeing the other opponents. As coaches, we're discussing it. We have a shot at the title. I'm so proud of this. I'll tell you honestly, frankly, I'm excited for next year. Next year, season 80, season 81, I'm excited. Kaya yan sabi ko, I don't sugarcoat anything. I'm here to give Adamson a championship before my contract expires. Sana lang. It's what's a much conference.
so you say the culture has changed.
I guess so. What's so funny nga? They were saying me, now I'm spoiling yung Adamson na naman. When we entered, we won 1, 2, 3 games. Sabi na, coach, okay na yan. People, alumni, okay na, ganda. But when we started making a run 4-0, when we lost our game, parang hindi na kagad sanay. Sabi ko, you're spoiling us kasi But at least culture right now has dramatically changed, especially this experience playing in the Napa team.
Coach, during the final minute of the game, don't you think your players should have gone for it with two thousand pounds?
Well, that's that's a sign and a quality of a being a young team, unexperienced team. Okay? But if you look at that, those shots that they took, it's quite okay. You know, I was telling them that's their shot. Given that opportunity again, I told them, I won't hesitate to tell you to take that shot. But being young, inexperienced, you know, um, probably that's why they decided to do that. But sa akin, okay lang ito. It's a learning process.
Personally, what's your experience playing against such a kind of
Well, sa akin, wala yun eh. They're supposed to beat us. That's the bottom line. With that kind of lineup, with that kind of support, we've got the best of the best. But why did we proud? We were toe-to-toe. Except for that, di ba? Di ba? Give me the judge, di ba? Pambira mo naman. First time pinulog yung bola. Crucial part, kinabak. Di ba? Never may wildest thing that I'll be getting the kind of
So, Coach, sabi ni Coach Alvin, medyo hindi siya masaya dun sa nilaro ng team niya.
Now, I'll throw back that to you also. If you're the one coaching that team, magiging masaya ka ba? With that kind of lineup, with that kind of support, will you be happy? With their mayhem defense, who forced them to make turnovers? Kami pa nag-force ang turnovers. Diba? Kaya I'm throwing back to you that question. If you're coaching that, you play that way, supposed to be with that kind of lineup, I get the happy. Yeah. Yeah, it showed. We forced them for a number one team. How many turnovers sila?
Three assists daw. Three assists.
Yeah. What did I tell you? You know, they have the best intern right now. They have the best Liga, si Gerald. They're the ones who covered. But for us, every game that we played there, Perez and Samson, what did I tell you we played? They're averaging 26 turnovers. Kami kasi probably under the radar. If you look at us, hindi kaming ano eh, we're not that glamour looking team. But if you look closely at our team, we're best also in forcing turnovers. We have the smallest team. You look at the teams right now in the final four, we have the smallest team. We have the less experienced team. But we still survive. It's just just a slight night. You know, I guess if you're forced to commit 26 turnovers and time of play, then I don't think you'll be happy.
Coach, para ka ba ng champion?
Well, if I feel that way, I should not be coaching already. Because that means I'm already satisfied. You know, there's always room for and this tournament is an eye-opener for us. Because maturity, experience plays a major role. But we survived it. So, excited looking at season 8. That's working na.
May nakaplano na ba sa inyo na like pre-season training ay mga ganun?
Meron kami plan talaga. In fact, dapat ano pa to eh. They took this year to eh. Kaya lang because of the schedule ng everything, hindi nag-push. But definitely, in fact, walang mayor. Dapat ngayong December we'll be going to Russia. Kaya lang Russia. Russia. Kaya lang I don't think the boys will. Even me, siguro, ako kagad hindi. I know it's unfair, but it's gonna be really cool. I don't think, no, Russia. We're supposed to leave December 15th. I had to cancel it.
Anong meron dun sa kalabanin mo?
Yeah, Russia.
College team.
College team. So, you know, great run kami. And so, proud and happy red players. Well, technically, wala naman. But, like what I told them, it's a never-ending process. It's a trial for them. Even my team B players right now who's doing the residency, I mentioned them, pick you. But basically, if I feel that you're not improving, nothing personal, so be it. It's a cycle. It's a cycle.
Yung mga personal ratings ko na nila coach, relax yung ratings ko na next week.
Yes, definitely. Kaya nga ang projection ko diba sinasabi ko, 2017. Excited with the 2017. Excited with the 2018.
Coach, hanggang kailan pa tatanong?
Basta ako, when they talk to me, they just want to be competitive. They want to be known. Of course, it didn't come to me. It came from them. But ako isa naman sabi ko eh, I'm not here to be a glamour or figurehead for Adamson, face of Adamson. I'm here to give Adamson a championship. Hindi ko sugarcoat yan. I want make those political statement. No, I'm here because I'm going to give Adamson a championship.
Coach, anyone in particular hindi na excited kayo mag-coach?
Secret, pero he's already doing the residency. Team next year will be different. I'll just give you an example. We're happy with the team A. I'm happy with where we achieved. But when they play team B, talo sila sa team B. That's the simple analogy why I'm so excited for next year.
Coach, can you talk about Derek and Papi? You're like, Derek almost going to be the rookie of the year. See, Papi was finished second in the statistical points and in their performance this season.
Well, he was bypassed by three big schools. Probably they didn't see the potential. They were saying that it's like this, it's like that. But ako naman as a coach, as a college coach, your main objective is to develop players. You don't want a finished product. Of course, bonus if it's a finished product, but it gives you a priceless feeling if you develop it. First time you see Jerick, I don't think you're going to be impressed also, but you see the potential. Who would ever imagine that he'd be playing at this level?
Coach, will you be rooting for Lasal in the finals?
Well, to tell you honestly, I'll be enjoying my vacation first. I'll see with my schedule. As the majority told me, we're playing so hard also to adjust my schedule. Probably just the last couple of days. And just chillax. Chill mode lang muna.
Thank you, Coach.
This is the first time, ha? Normally, dapat